The earth was dark, the hearts were cold. Each soul had traded truth for gold, but one still heard the whisper small, build the ark before the fall. They mocked his faith, they cursed his name, yet Noah's heart would not be swayed. With hammer, song, and heaven's trust, he built salvation from the dust. When the rain began to fall, he stood alone and gave his all. Though thunder roared and hearts were blind, the promise burned within his mind. He built an ark through scorn and fear, and found that faith was stronger here. For 40 years his voice was clear, repent, the floods of God are near. Yet laughter echoed through the plain as mercy pleaded once again. He sealed the door, he felt the sky, he heard the thunder's battle cry. And though the world was swept away, the faithful saw another day. Trusted through the Lord's recall. The ark became a sacred place, a refuge built by heaven's grace. Through endless waves, through storm and pain, he held to God and not in vain. And when the dove flew through the gray and sunlight kissed the earth that day, the rainbow formed, the heavens spoke, the earth shall rise though hearts be broke. Noah wept upon the shore, for sin would reign on earth no more. His tears became the rainbow's hue, a promise made, a world renewed. When the rain began to fall, he stood though others mocked it all. He built with love, with weary hands, a covenant through water stands, and still his voice across the